Ready to declutter your retro gaming chaos and finally pick the perfect front end? First up, Beacon. Known for its sleek, modern aesthetic, notice how it presents your game library with crisp artwork and detailed descriptions. Beacon's strength lies in its user-friendly navigation and elegant design, making it a breeze to browse and launch your favorite games. It's a great choice if you value visual appeal and simplicity. Now, let's shift our focus to Daijisho, a powerhouse of customization. Daijisho is highly adaptable, supporting a vast range of emulators and platforms. Its strength is in its versatility and extensive configuration options, allowing you to tailor the interface to your exact preferences. Digging deeper, Beacon shines with its straightforward settings, making it easy to configure your emulators and ROM pads. The emphasis is on simplicity, which can be a great benefit for new users. Daijisho, on the other hand, offers a plethora of advanced settings. While this provides unparalleled control, it can also be overwhelming for beginners. If you enjoy tinkering and fine-tuning every aspect of your setup, Daijisho is your playground. So, which one reigns supreme? Beacon excels in its simplicity and modern design, perfect for gamers who want a polished and easy-to-use experience. Daijisho, on the other hand, triumphs in its customization and extensive platform support, catering to enthusiasts who demand complete control. Ultimately, the best front end depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider what you value most: a streamlined experience or a highly customizable one, and let that guide your decision. Happy gaming!